Hello everyone, I'm Ilse Mergiers and I'm proud to say that I am a member of the MMM community. I stay in South Africa, White River in the beautiful Mpumalanga area. On the 25th of October 2017, I pH 0.02 bitcoins at 50%, which I had to pay to an MMM member within 2 days of my pH. On the 28th of January 2018, I GH'd an amount of 3,200 Rand in Bitcoins, which also includes several referral and video bonuses. I'm happy to say that I was paid in full only a few hours later. I must say that it is worth waiting 3 months to get the 50%. I would also like to thank Mr. Mavrodi and his team for having created MMM for us to use and work with. I really appreciate the efforts Mr. Mavrodi and his team have made to make this available to us, especially in Bitcoins. I believe that with Bitcoins, MMM is stronger than ever because anyone in the whole world can participate. I keep PHing and GHing on a regular basis so that everyone can profit from the system. I urge all members to PH again so that MMM can be as strong as ever. Together we are succeeding. Viva MMM.